In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment links and subscription from line items in Deals. In order to do that, you first need to head over to the Sales tab and Deals. Click onto the Sales right here, and then locate Deals. If you can find it, you can also click onto the search and search right here for Deals tab. You can find it under the apps, so make sure to click on this. Now choose right here the deal that you want to edit. For example, I'll choose right here this Admiral that I have created. You can find right here the deals. So if you don't have a line item yet, make sure that it's added. Now, the line item has been added, you can head over and create the payment link. In the deal record, you can head over and then create it. You can find payment links by going over right here onto this part and head over and set up payments first in order to add it. Once you have set up payment, you can head over and add a payment link. So let's click onto this right here. Click on Setup Payments or Create Payment Link option, and then it will open right here this new tab. Click on this Create option, and you can use blank or you can also use a template. Just choose one, and from this, choose right here how you want it to start. After that, click on Next, and then send it out once it's done. You can see right here the line items. We have it right here, this. Make sure to save it. Or you can add a new one if you want. For example, let's name this service. And then for the price, let's price it around 999 and click on save. Then after that, you can create a link. Head over and click on create in order to create it. So input the link name right here. So for example, let's just name this pay here and click on create. And then this will create a create link for us. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.